Welcome back. It's been 2 months since my last video, and that is just pathetic because I will never make it as a YouTuber if I'm only posting a video once every 2.5 months. Tonight I finally decided to pull out the camera and record what I'm doing, which is something I want to do all the time, but I don't think you guys realize how long it takes to make one of these videos. I mean, seriously. Basically, once the camera comes out, a project that might take 1 hour now takes 2 hours. I would compare it to trying to get a toddler to leave the house. It should take 30 seconds, but they need to grab a toy, they don't know how to put their shoes on, they just stall, and before you know it, a 30-second project takes 10 minutes. And that's sort of what happens when I try to film one of these projects. If I had more time to do it, I'd be making a lot more videos. Anyway, that's all boring stuff. Let's just get to the project. So here's what's happening. These panels right here are all part of the Viva Paso sign that goes on our awning. And the vinyl stickers, well, these 2 stickers are fine. The rest of the stickers all peeled off and the wood got super damaged like this. So I've painted the wood. I got the Cricut vinyl cutter over here. So I'm gonna put new lettering on all of these. So that's tonight's project. Here we go. Let's go put on the first sticker. One thing I've learned since using these vinyl stickers is wood is not the best surface for these, but I'm gonna do it anyway. There's actually a specific tool for that. It's this little guy, but I like using the roller better. You can also use the edge of a credit card. You basically just need something to really get the vinyl to stick to your surface. That one went on way easier than other ones that I've done on wood. Maybe because it's painted, so the surface is a little more glossy. So I have 2 more of those circle stickers to put on the sign. But let's chat for a minute. You already saw me do this on the last one. This is nothing exciting or new here. So the last couple of weeks I've been kind of obsessed with making stickers with the Cricut machine. And what's been really cool is I've actually sold some stickers and I've used some stickers on some art pieces. I think I'm at the point now where the Cricut has actually paid for itself. So I highly recommend getting one, and even if it's not because you want to sell stuff, it's just a really fun thing to have. And sometimes I forget that I'm in a situation where I have a venue where I can sell these things, and some people don't have that. I mean, you can always try selling on Etsy, but that's just not what it used to be. Anyway, I'm not sure how much of this project I'm gonna do tonight. It's almost 1 a.m. already, so I'm definitely gonna do these circles. I might get into a couple letters, but one problem with the Cricut is this. I can only cut out images that fit on this. When your sign's 3 feet long, and you can only cut an image 12 inches, I'm only gonna be able to do a couple letters at a time, and then I'm gonna have to line them up and hope that the letters are straight and look good. I know some of you Cricut nerds out there are gonna tell me there's a 24-inch one of these, and I know that, but it's almost 1 a.m. and Michael's is closed. So I'm making do with what I have. Now that I've been using these so much the last couple weeks, I'm learning a little and I'm getting better at it. One thing I've learned is that it's easier if you pull the backing off. This is boring. Do you care? Who cares? Let's just do it. So the 3 Viva Paso logos turned out okay. If you're curious what the rest of the sign looks like, here it is. Right here we'll say home, then there's another logo, and then the word gifts. Then after gifts, this board will say botanicals because we sell plants in here. This last board will have no stickers, it just has some painted shapes on here. If you look closely, it says Viva. There's a V, there's an I, and my battery is just about to die, so I'm gonna stop for now. I'm actually gonna print some of the letters and hopefully make some more progress on the sign before I call it a night. Stay tuned. And we're back. Since my camera battery is charging, I'm just gonna use the iPhone because who cares? Anyway, so the letters here are 5 3/8 inches tall. Since I am constrained to the 12-inch square cutting mat, I can only do 2 letters at a time. And our first 2 letters are This is where it gets fun. Okay, cutting out letters is way faster than cutting out artwork. Let me show you something. To cut out these characters, probably took a couple minutes per character, and I would have a few on one sheet of vinyl, so I might be waiting around for 5 minutes. This HO took about 30 seconds. It is 1:46 a.m. I'm ready to call it a night. I just got the word home on the sign. Considering I did that and the 3 logos, I feel somewhat accomplished. I would like to have done more, but what can you do? Until next time. See you soon.